Today, take a look at the True Color Auto Darkening Welding Lens. So that has pretty good visibility without being darkened. Can't see that solar cell on there, so this is going to be auto darkening, so it will switch so we can actually look through the thing, line up where we're going to be welding, and then just start welding. We don't have to worry about flipping our helmet down. This also says it's rated for a 1112, so this should be a very clear lens. And you can also see on here there are no dials, so this is not adjustable. This auto darkens to a fixed shade of 10. They did also include a lens to put over top of it, so we can protect that to make sure it doesn't get damaged. It did say it was 2x4.25, so let's just confirm that. Yep, we got 2 and 4.25. You can see all that sugar on there. That is the main benefit of putting a lens in front of it. If we try to actually weld with this thing, it looks like a starry night. Did also notice that the new lens is just a little bit thicker than the old lens. I think I'll still be able to make that work, but I might have to give it a little bit more force to push it in. There we go. Wow. Okay, so the answer is yes. This has an extremely good lens on it. If this was a little bigger, I would put this right against like a 3M speed glass. For the price, this is legitimately a full color lens. I was expecting all the ones that say that they're a real color, but they're actually green. This one is legit. This is a good lens. So I'm going to attempt to put this over the camera so you can kind of see what you're supposed to see. So yeah, there are a lot of lenses out there and even welding helmets that say that they're full color, high clarity and all that. This one is one that actually lives up to the claim. This is an incredibly nice lens. I am very happy with that.